Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Steve and this is my good friend Josetti, my favorite sister. And today, you guys know I'm a Labubu daddy and I'm gonna ruin her life. I'm gonna give her Labubu and she's gonna be a Labubu girl. So let's get started this video. So before we do a special present for you, I want to kind of let you know what the heck is Labubu, what's Zimomo, okay? So Labubu, so this is called Zimomo. You can hold it. Zimomo is a leader of a monster, and they live in the monster village. And Zimomo is a boy. Can you tell Zimomo if you turn him around?
I saw this.
There's a tail. Yeah, we feel that.
Come on, Steve.
It's a tail. What are you talking about?
Oh.
Nasty. So when there's a tail, there's a Zimomo. He's a leader. This particular one is a new design. It's called Angel. So he has a little wing here. So that's called Zimomo. Eyes moves.
Really? Huh? Oh yeah.
So cute. Very, very cute. All right. So then what is Labubu? This is the Labubu.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Labubu is a girl, and there are many Labubu in there. They have different color, different name. So all the Labubu is a girl, and then the difference is Labubu don't have a tail.
No.
No!
Already.
Already.
No, they're all mine. They're mine.
I'm gonna charge you now. Ding!
This one came dressed? Or
Yeah, this one came in dress. So some of the Labubu, they come with a different outfit. Some of them is naked, we're gonna show you later. But this one called Falling Wild, and this one Ice Move too. I think this particular size, they have about 7 or 8 different designs.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then how much do they retail for?
So this one is about $275-ish. This is about around $78 or $90. I could be a little bit off, but it's around that price. It's not that expensive, but the problem is
Well, you can't find them.
you can't find it. You can't. So that's the Labubu, and then this is a mini Labubu. So they also have a just give it back to me. So this is a little Labubu here. She comes with an outfit. So this is called pronouns. So this is the pendant Labubu. They all have a key charm right here.
You know what? In person, it's not that like, because I used to say
They're
so
scary.
ugly.
They're
I used to
ugly.
say
They're ugly.
so ugly. No, but in the ugliness, I'll see the beauty of like the material, like how it's done. Now I see when people say it, oh, the fakes and stuff, like in person. It's just in person. It's just, it has so much detail and it's just so like it's fine. It's finesse, right?
The hair, it feels so good.
Yes.
You know, sometimes you buy those plushie toy, the hair will fall off. This is a good quality. That's why it's a human phenomenon right now.
The quality of everything. So I see it why. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. And because we like luxury.
Yes.
So we're like.
So this is the Labubu. So this, they come with no clothes on. They're naked. Wait. This. So
it's Chanel.
It's Chanel. Chanel. So Pop Mart is where you can buy all the Labubu in different blind box, and they're so sneaky. They sell everything in a blind box, and you never know what you're gonna get. That's how they get you. And then the other thing they do here is they call secrets. So for example, this is the Labubu Have a Seat blind box. So in here, there are 6 different Labubu color. 6 different color. So a lot of people may just get one box, so you can buy just one, and then you never know what color you're gonna get, or you can buy the whole set. That is coming home with me later, okay? You all winners right here.
I'm like,
you know, people wearing Labubu everywhere.
I know. Wait, you see, like, what are you doing? It's because you know me.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sorry, but I'm the person that wears this kind of things in my head. So, yeah.
I would look good on that too.
My
You know, it's pretty
cupcake
amazing.
does it.
For 51 years old Asian guy, I can pull this off.
I'm 37, baby. We're never growing up. 52?
51.
Oh, 51. I'm sorry.
That's it. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Labubu, let's go. So when you buy a whole set, you're guaranteed to get every single color, right?
What?
That's why you buy the whole set.
So, but it's still, isn't it like a surprise?
Individual box. So there's 6 boxes in here, right? One of every 72 boxes, you're gonna get secret. It's not guaranteed, and secret is the brown Labubu. That one.
That's the one that you want, like that everybody wants.
It's so hard to get. You never know.
I'm excited. Okay, let's open it up.
Oh, what are you doing? Just had tea?
I'm opening my first Labubu.
Have a seat, yes.
Have a seat box. Oh my god, the moment of truth has come.
Do you got a good feeling that you're gonna get secrets?
I'm feeling lucky. You know, I started so far a good year, I have to say. Like, I know it's just started, but we're starting positive. Vamos a empezar
Yes.
positiva.
We start a new year with Labubu. Oh my god, did you see the 6 boxes in there?
Oh my god. This is way too exciting. I can't. Okay, let's see. Which one should I start? Okay. This. No. The front. Front and right. Just because everything's gonna go right. Everything's gonna go accordingly.
So in this box, there's 6 different Labubu. And I'll show you. This is how you do it.
I see.
Yeah.
I remember now. I remember. Wow, the quality of the box is everything.
Then you can just rip it.
Okay. Oh my god. No. Wait. Very demure.
What's her name?
I don't know.
It's on the box.
her name?
It's inside the box is a card, her ID card. You can see it.
Wow. It's a whole experience. She has an ID.
Yes,
And her
CC.
name is Cici. Her
Cici.
name is Cici. She's so cute. Oh my god, they are very cute.
They are good
They
quality.
are very cute. I'm so sorry, but I understand why. Oh, this is too much. Okay.
Oh,
Da-da-da. It's Minty.
and look at her eyes.
Look at the eyes.
Cute.
I
That's
was
her
like, I
name.
just wanted one for my bag. No.
Okay, I'll just pick one then. I'll take the rest of home.
No, this is all mine. This is all mine. And this is
Cute.
Cuckoo. Little Cuckoo. She's so cute. Is there? How do I know if it's a she or a he?
So all Labubu is a girl.
Oh.
All of them. The only boy is Zmomo back there.
Oh, I see. Yay! Let's see. Oh, there's a purple one. Look at that.
That's the light brown one. It's so cute.
Hey!
Wow, it's a.
It's the pink one.
Oh, you scared me. I thought it was the secret.
For me, the pink one is.
Okay.
For me, the pink one is the secret one.
Oh.
Oh my god! It's the pink one. It's just, I love it because it's fully pink. Like, even the eyes are pink. Everything is pink. Okay, here we go. Manifest. See the secret one. Oh my god. No, it's not the secret one, but it's another.
But still, oh, that's the lavender
Oh,
one.
wow.
So,
Wait, where did I get
That's a gray
Oh,
color.
Oh, this is so cute.
So cute.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm a Labubu girl.
So you guys have to be careful. So this is called Labubu, right? There's a lot of places selling Lafufu, which is the fake ones.
No, we don't.
You don't want that?
We don't do that.
So how do you know you get a real or fake? It's very simple. When you bought it, there's a little QR code here. You can scratch this down below. There's a number gonna show. So you scan the QR code, you input a number, and you want to make sure the website is matching PopMart. Yeah. It will identify the real or fake.
Oh, wow.
So that's how we do it.
Yeah, but then how do you do it then? That's after you bought it.
Yeah. So I say that if you want to buy this from reseller, you need to find someone's legit. If somebody's selling it for too cheap, I'm sorry, that's not real.
How much is a little like
this one? Each
one box?
One box I think is at $22, but resale price is about $50 each.
Okay, so that's the price.
That's the price range you get. Yeah. You need to let go my Z-Momo. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.